Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to rotate the UCS coordinates in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, go to the command line and type UCS, then press enter. Over here, this activates the user coordinate system for editing. Then, click to set the origin point of your UCS. After that, click again to define the direction of the x-axis. Over here, choose the x-axis direction carefully as it controls your drawing alignment. Then, use another click to adjust the orientation based on your required reference line or geometry. After that, align the UCS according to your required direction in your drawing. Over here, click again to set the y-axis. Then, decide whether the y-axis goes upward or downward based on your design needs. After that, review the UCS orientation to make sure it is correct. Over here, type Plan into the command line and press Enter. Then, type C and press Enter again. After that, the workspace will align with the new UCS rotation. Over here, your view is now matched with the updated coordinate system. Then, continue working with the correctly oriented drawing space. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.